Wondering what I'm doing? Well, uneven or pigmented skin is an issue that a lot of us battle, whether due to hormonal imbalance or lack of sunscreen application in your younger years. Here is everything you could do naturally and with face yoga application to control pigmentation. On clean skin, you must use a derma roller in a 1 mm or a 0.5, 0.75 mm depending on how strong your pigmentation is, in a plus sign and a multiplication sign like this. Don't get confused. Pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, melasma, it's all the same. Now, after 30 minutes, you will use our brown spot corrector, which has a German super ingredient called Cutie Pure all over your pigmented area like this. Follow it up with our niacinamide alpha arbutin infused pigmentation serum. You could use this morning and evening because that is how safe it is. You will slap or pack in the serum like this. Then pinch to stimulate blood circulation across this region. Follow this up with our pigmentation cream. Do some pinky pinches stimulation and then always follow it up with sunscreen in case you end up doing this regime in the morning. Our sunscreen too has a super ingredient called Revenage, which is Cosmos France certified, that helps in overall anti-aging, pigmentation reduction and skin tone correction, while it is naturally protecting you from the sun as well. 2 fingers or 4 pumps in, you will gently pat the sunscreen in so that it gets absorbed and forms an overall protection layer. Wait for the sunscreen to absorb. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute and you are now set for your day. Happy pampering!